What's going on, YouTube family? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. Today we've got a Teddy SANTIS special right here. These are the New Balance 990 V2s by Teddy SANTIS. If you're not familiar, Teddy SANTIS is the founder and creative director of Aimé Dore. You guys already know how big of an Aimé Dore fan I am. And to have Teddy as New Balance's new creative director of the Made in USA line is really exciting. We've already seen so many sneaks of the colorways releasing this year, and we finally got one on hand today. These 990 V2 sea salts came in a really similar colorway in a V3 too. I was debating which to pick up. I'm usually a V3 kind of guy, but in this case I gravitated more to the V2s instead. These are my first pair of V2s, and now that I actually have them on hand, I'm really glad I went with these. The leather uppers and colorway just suit this silhouette so perfectly in my opinion. And I think the shape on the V2 specifically would be able to withstand the test of time a lot longer in my opinion. But without wasting any more time guys, let's get right into the styling. We've got 3 ways to style the Teddy SANTIS New Balance 990 V2s, and then we'll get into the unboxing and details towards the end. For look 1, we're going for some classic light washed blue denim. Then moving on to an easy summer fit for look 2. And finally, we're going straight Wu-Tang cream with the tones for look 3. Starting things off with look 1, we're styling around some classic light washed blue denim. First up, we have this hidden New York oversized jumper in green, Aimé Dore cap in white, a cream tee on the inner, some light washed blue Gucci denim, and the 990 V2s on feet. You can never go wrong with some denim and sneakers. That combo is just too clean. And just for some added color matching, throwing in the Aimé white cap in there as well to match with the 990 V2s. Something for the summertime, we're going with a knitted polo fit for look 2. We've got a COS heavy knitted polo in cream, Visvim Hakama trousers in black, some Celine sunglasses, finishing off with the New Balance 990 V2s. This polo is actually from the women's section in COS. I think COS really did us guys dirty by labeling this under the women's section. That fit is just perfect on guys. Generously oversized, drop shoulder cut. This piece is a must-have for the summertime. Of course, matching the New Balances with some Visvims, vibing off the Japanese streetwear OGs. Lastly, for look 3, we're coming for all the tones. We've got this vintage Coogie jumper, Aimé Dore Dodgers cap in cream and green, a white tee under, waffle cream cargo pants from Trendy Woo, and of course the 990 V2s once again. Just to add the finishing touches on this fit, we've got the Aimé tote as well in cream and green. You guys know I love my light and cream tones. It's my absolute favorite color to be dressed in. And I'm really liking the light pops of green in the fit too. Also, that vintage Coogie is still my favorite vintage find to this day. Shout out to Seoul, Korea for having the best vintage spots. Now let's get into the details real quick. We've got this really clean yellow and red New Balance box, one pair of extra cream laces. Now getting into the shoe, we've got a white and cream leather base, really quality execution if I may add, a grey suede N logo on the side, that beautiful toe box in white and grey leather, my favorite part of the shoe, an aged yellow midsole, New Balance's Absorb Foam technology on the soles, Made in USA logos on the back, a cream and grey tongue area in canvas, and finally some cream laces to top off that aged vintage aesthetic. As for sizing guys, these fit similar to your 990 V5s or 991s. I'm a US 9.5 for both and I got the same for these and they fit me perfectly. If you never purchased from New Balance before, I'd say go true to size to your usual Nike size, like your Nike Dunks, and you should be good with these. Just to close it out guys, I am really happy that I managed to get my hands on these. I think they've only released through Aimé Dore's main website as of recording this, while the V3s in the similar colorway saw a much wider release through New Balance. If you missed out on these, I'm sure the V2s will be releasing through other channels soon too. But what do you guys think? Would you go for the V2s or the V3s? Personally, I'm picking the V2s because of the shape of that toe box. It is way too beautiful of a silhouette, especially in person. The V3s look a little sporty to me in this specific colorway, and I think the V2s look a little sleeker and cleaner in this vintage aged aesthetic. But with that being said guys, it's gonna be it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video and styling. Let me know which is your favorite look. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content or would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.